Okay, so welcome to creating epic designs with your phone. I am Dyer Samuel, and what I want to do quickly here is to walk you through the basics of Canva before we now get into more advanced details. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to begin to share my screen of my phone with you, and I'm currently using an Android phone. But of course, whether you use an Android or you use an iPhone, basically the two of them will work the same way. So here comes my screen right here now. Okay, so you can see this is my screen here, and this is me by the side of the screen. I needed to do it this way so that you can actually see what I need to do. So let me open up Canva here. And first off, I'm going to show you some of the designs that I've done inside Canva before. And I want you to be seeing my phone here. So let me place my phone where you can see it close to the screen. So let me place my phone here so that you can actually see me using my phone here. So you can see these are some of the designs that I've done on my phone. As you can see, this create epic designs with your phone was actually made with Canva. As you can see here, this is text 1, this is text 2, this is text 2, this red here is text 2, this is text 3, this is text 4. As you can see, what I did is to break down all the text, even though it's just one statement, but I broke it down into several statements. That way, when you make your, if you make your video, if you make your designs that way, it allows you to kind of walk around a lot of things that you may not naturally do, especially with one bunch of text. So if you see here, you'll notice that this is an icon here. You can see this is an icon here. You can see this is all of these text here. And you can see this tiny text here. This is also created here as well. You can see this is an icon here. This is Facebook icon here. And this is YouTube icon here. Now, the background is just one other element placed upon that background. If you can actually see me moving it around right now. So that's the background separately. And then this image here was brought in. You can see that it's a white image. So you can see this is how I create all of these designs in such a way that it's easy for me to maneuver and create all of those things that you see. Now, the reason why I needed to show you that is because when you are working with Canva, if you want to create epic designs on Canva, you simply just need to pay attention to how you are arranging your text. Of course, if you follow the principles of designs, the principles of creating epic design that I've shared with you so far, you will see that it's actually simple to create. So if you see, this is another design that I'm creating. In fact, this one I'm yet to complete it here on Canva. But you can see this is a logo that I brought in. This is a logo here, and this is a text, and this is an image. Now the image, the background of the image has been taken away, so it's easy to manipulate it. And then the background itself, you can see, the background just has a shape there. So these are all the things that I'm going to be introducing you to in the course of this video. So perhaps in some of the videos, I may not even show my face on the screen like this, but I just want you to see all of the different designs that I have made using Canva. So for example, this one here, you can see that this is a picture here. This is another picture here. This is text here. And this is another text here. And this is text here. This is a background here. And this is another text here. You can, do you get the idea now? The idea is rather than have one bunch of text, you are breaking them down into multiple text. So you can see this is a background here now. You can see that this is this background here. You can see me moving around that background. And of course, the background has been adjusted, so you can adjust all of this way. But I just want you to, this is more of introduction. Okay, so I'm going to get into how to actually create all of these one after the other. So let me move into another design that you may find interesting, which is, let me see.